Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I wake up at the crack of dawn. I wake up at the crack of dawn. It is time to rise and shine. It is time to rise and shine. Making the bed is a piece of cake. Making the bed is a piece of cake. I start the day on the right foot. I start the day on the right foot. I have to shake a leg. I have to shake a leg. I am as busy as a bee in the garden. I am as busy as a bee in the garden. I keep an eye on the clock. I keep an eye on the clock. I get the ball rolling with my work. I get the ball rolling with my work. It is time to take 5. It is time to take 5. I am feeling a bit under the weather. I am feeling a bit under the weather. I have a lot on my plate today. I have a lot on my plate today. I am as busy as a bee. I am as busy as a bee. I don't want to break the bank. I don't want to break the bank. This task is a walk in the park. This task is a walk in the park. I am in the same boat as my neighbor. I am in the same boat as my neighbor. I need to recharge my batteries. I need to recharge my batteries. I wrap things up for the day. I wrap things up for the day. I hit the sack early. I hit the sack early. I am over the moon today. I am over the moon today. I don't want to rock the boat. I don't want to rock the boat. I take it with a grain of salt. I take it with a grain of salt. I am feeling full of beans. I am feeling full of beans. I cut corners in the kitchen. I cut corners in the kitchen. I am in hot water now. I am in hot water now. I let the cat out of the bag. I let the cat out of the bag. I am a couch potato tonight. I am a couch potato tonight. I hit the nail on the head. I hit the nail on the head. I keep my chin up. I keep my chin up. Easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Slow and steady wins the race. slow and steady wins the race. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise. A stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. Better late than never. Better late than never. Break the ice. Break the ice. Curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Strike while the iron is hot. Strike while the iron is hot. Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you're having fun. The icing on the cake. The icing on the cake. Rome wasn't built in a day. Rome wasn't built in a day. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. A penny saved is a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny earned. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Try to use one idiom you learned today. Small steps every day lead to big results. Small steps every day lead to big results. Wisdom is found in every corner of life. Wisdom is found in every corner of life. Keep practicing, and I will see you soon. Keep practicing, and I will see you soon.